Nigukoretwo na ukunderu wa mawira bururi-ini na thirikari ni ikoretwo ikiarira mitaratara itiganite ya uria a Kenya mekuona mawira na umuthi munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua niaruguririe mubango wa kuhe mbeu njithi mawira. Mubango uria ni unyitaniri na kambuni itiganite cia andu kiumbe rungu rwa ngwataniro ya KEPSA. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mubango uyu, Gachagua ugite thirikari ni gukorwo ikirutithania wira na ngwataniro ino ya KEPSA na itanya ria gutigirira andu aingi na makiria mbeu njithi ni mona mawira.
This initiative seeks to unlock the potential of small and medium enterprises through tailored support services that allow them to grow and create jobs for the young people.
Kuri na gicunji kia 38.9 hari igana kia mbeu njithi aria matari na mawira, na o mwaka mbeu njithi 800,000 nio marikagia mathomo mao metereire kuona mawira. Ngwataniro ya KEPSA ikiuga mari na muoroto wa guthondeka mieke ya mawira mirioni imwe kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe.
Economy has not matched the supply in generation of new jobs. Experts have warned us of the youth time bomb occasioned by the jobless youth bulge. In fact, 75% of Kenya's population is below the age of 35 years. This population is a big blessing to this nation. We must plan well and invest in our youth.
To become a middle-income country by 2030, which is something we said, the goal not only requires uninterrupted growth of 10% per year, but it also demands that citizens have globally competitive skills.
And the idea of the Kenya Youth Employment and Entrepreneurship Program is to unlock the potential of the SMEs, which are mostly young people, through tailored support services that allow them to grow and create jobs for young people. Leverage on technology and digital transformation to scale the businesses.
Rigathi nieraniire ati thirikari ni gutigirira kuri na riera riega ria kuruta biashara niguo na mbeu njithi mateithiririo ria mangiyandika mategutungana na mihinga iria iri kuo.
The Kenya Kwanza government is committed to reducing bureaucracies, to reduce the cost of production and doing businesses online and offline. This is because we understand the importance of a friendly business environment for upcoming and established expenditure of 9,000 per family.
Mwena-ini wao mbeu njithi aria megwikinyitie kirugurio-ini giki ni moritie thirikari kumahe mathomo megie sekta itiganite niguo mahote gwikuria.
Women, persons living with disabilities and youth, we are all not we may not all be good in education, but we've got other things that we can do better.
I have an opportunity to be an entrepreneur I myself, but I don't have that training.
Mubango uyu uria ni wa the Kenya Youth Employment and Entrepreneurship Accelerator Program niyo KEP urongoreirie kunyitirira mbeu njithi aria ni undu wa wagi wa mawira meigiranĩtie na maundu ma guthukia muturire wao wa rucio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.